Hey everybody, welcome to Wide Family Farm. Today we are going to start shed wars out under 16 inches of snow.
People don't know how hard it is for a gardener in the winter. Last year, we added 400 square feet onto the garden. We added landscape fabric, and we started a wide variety of plants. We had at least 100 tomatoes. We also planted celery for the first time and had our first successful crops of squash and sugar pie pumpkins. We added a few garden features as well. We also propagated our own elderberries, and it took a lot of hard work. This is about the garden, what it looks like in midsummer right here. And we had time to sit back and look at the beauty of it all. Our celery was so healthy, and we grew zucchini for the first time as well. We had about 80 pounds of apples from our apple trees. We also did our first Wide Family Farm carrot challenge, and that was interesting in itself. It really was. We grew as a channel, and we grew as gardeners. We learned about all different types of things, and every year is different, and every year has its own challenges. We learned a lot from our mistakes this year, and we canned a ton of food. We basically were nonstop from August until November. And I also used a pressure canner for the first time as well. Altogether last year, we had grew over 500 pounds of food. Our goal this year is to increase the poundage by at least 200 pounds. This is our Shed Wars 2022 entry video. We look forward to growing as much food as we possibly can. And this year for us, it's more about survival gardening. We'll be producing the everyday foods that we eat, and we'll be canning, freezing, and drying. So come along with us this year for Shed Wars. We will be doing a lot of educational videos and garden tours. And I cannot wait to show you the progress that we will have for this year. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you all at the next video.